Printing and binding expenses. Printing and binding expenses cover costs for producing, printing, and binding essential project materials like books, reports, catalogs, documents, and other reading materials needed for successful implementation. These MOOE allocations ensure professional dissemination of research outputs while maintaining budget compliance through proper documentation and receipts. Printing and binding expenses requirements. For printing and binding reimbursements, submit the official receipt to validate expenses, along with a sample of the printed documents produced. Include a job order slip unless the receipt already specifies quantity and unit price, ensuring clear cost verification. These documents confirm proper MOO utilization for essential project materials. For printing and binding reimbursements, include an inspection acceptance report verifying that received materials meet project standards before payment. Add an abstract of open canvas and quotation required for single receipts of 1,000 pesos or more, unless incurred in remote communities. This complete the documentation package alongside official receipts, samples, and job order slip for full MOOE compliance. Printing and binding expenses process flow. Once all printing and binding documents are compiled, official receipts, document samples, job order slip, inspection and acceptance report, and abstract of canvas, research staff submits the complete package to Argao. Argao conducts pre-audit verification for compliance and accuracy, then prepares the disbursement voucher. The voucher is forwarded to accounting for final processing and payment released from the MOOE allocation.